Hey guys, MUR-LOCK 68 here. Hope everybody's doing well. Today, I've got an Abus 80 Ti 50, but not just any. This one here, every time I dig around this mess, I find something that I've yet to touch, yet to pick. And how long has this been here? Well, this was given to me by great community member Bearsback, and I'm talking at least over a year ago, and I guess it's just in the shuffle because I know what's mine and what's I typically write it down. So this one here was given to me by Bearsback in a package a long, possibly well over a year ago, and I've yet to give it a pick. So today we're going to try it out and see if we can get into it. I've had mixed picking experiences with these. So let's see. Let's see what we can do with this one today. Okay, here we go, guys. Here's top of the keyway tension. Pin number 1, click. Okay, click out of 3. There was a small click out of 2. Okay, that was 4. Let's go and go right to the back here. Check pin 1. 2. That was 3. I think I have to go back and check 6, which I just touched, and I got a little false set there. So let's come back up here. Okay, let me check 6. Okay, we seem to be got nothing moving here, so let me check 1. I may have it pinched with this tensioner. Okay, well, let's go back here. I think I'm going to have to reset this. Let's try here again. Let's go with 1. And I broke my pick right off the bat. Okay, that was a click out of 3. Okay, that was 4, 5. Okay, I had another click there, and I believe I just set 4. Can't believe I broke that pick. Okay, there's 1. Okay, let's go back. We got 6 again. I had dropped it. So let's come back, try 1. I keep dropping pins, which is the norm with any Avis. Playing a little bit of ping pong here with this. 1, 2, 3. A little bit of movement there on the core. Okay, that was 4, 5. I'll go back and check 6. A little bit of counter rotation there. So it may not have been set. Should be set now. Let's come back and get 2. Okay. And I think again I dropped it. Okay, set it for probably the 3rd time now. Okay, that was 1. Now let's go back to 6 yet again. Let me check it. Trying to keep enough tension on it so I don't drop anything. Okay, let's come back. Fuel encounter on 6 again. Boy, that's a tough one. Okay. Okay, now I have 6 set again. Check number 1. Wow. It's one of the tougher 80 Ti 50s I've worked on. And I'm assuming this key might have a little bit to do with it, guys. Let's have a look at the key. Take a look at that. Pure nasty. You got 2 max cuts. One is a gatekeeper at the front. Then you have to get up to get 2, but the max cut in position 3 really set the tone for going in and out of fault sets, oversetting, and having to get that number 1 cut on pin 6. So, but I love these locks just for the feedback alone. Hopefully you enjoyed the video, guys, on the SPP Avis 80 Ti 50 from my good buddy Bearsback. Stay well, patience, practice, perseverance. We'll see you at the next one. Thanks for your support.